Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to save battery on the Infinix Note 30 NFC device. There are several ways. The first is that you can disable the location feature if it is not being used. And then you can use the auto brightening feature where it will automatically adjust the lighting when we are in a dark or bright room. And then the next step, you can disable the NFC feature if not needed. And if you want to extend the battery life, you can activate the power boost. And finally, you can go to the settings menu, select display and brightness and select the screen refresh rate menu. Then you can select the 30 Hz options. Well, those are some ways to save battery on the Infinix Note 30 NFC device. And just for your information, that this method you can also apply on Infinix Note 30 and Infinix Note 30 Pro device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel.